Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening System Settings. This is where Mac OS centralizes account info, so it's the fastest path. Click the Apple menu at the top left, then choose System Settings or System Preferences depending on your Mac OS. Once done, scan the top of the window for your name or an Apple ID banner. This signals you're in the right place. Make sure you're signed in. If you see Sign In, that means no Apple ID is currently linked to this Mac yet. Next, click the Apple ID entry or your name to open detailed account settings. You'll find the email address shown prominently under your name. This is your Apple ID and the primary identifier for Apple services. Make sure to check iCloud and Media and Purchases sections to confirm which services use that same ID. If you manage multiple accounts, noting the email here prevents confusion. If settings are locked, click the Lock and Authenticate because Mac OS secures account changes with your password. To finish, confirm the displayed email as your Apple ID and sign out only if you intend to switch accounts. Otherwise, leave it signed in. If you don't recognize the email, you'll need to recover the account using Apple's Account Recovery Flow. This protects your data. Make sure to check Trusted Devices for verification codes when prompted. If problems persist, reset your password from the Apple ID recovery process. This restores access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.